Too easy. Not that. Okay, I had to use max tracks for me to get up, see if Ben can get up with none. That's pretty impressive. What an exit! Fast dismount. Easy! Yeah! Okay, so we've done all the basic tracks, we've done all the small stuff. Now we're going to go up to the main section where there's a massive hill climb. There's 2 hill climbs. We left the max tracks down there, but we've got them back because we'll need them. And yeah, pretty much we'll see how we go. So this is the main obstacle. As you can see, it's quite ridiculous for perspective. The one on the left's barely an option, the one on the right is what you normally do. Now when we were here last time it was raining and this was just even harder, but we do have a big capable patrol here and I definitely want to try it in the PRADO, so we'll probably end up doing it and wish us luck.
Come back like 3 or 4 meters.
Straight?
Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, that'll do.
So we've got 2 tracks down in that hole. So we made up the first section and we're trying, this is as far as we got last time, and last time I had 35. So it's very interesting if we can do it today. So we'll give this a crack.
Oh, you were so close to making it. Later I'm getting over that little bump.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Easy. We have no idea where that goes. Oh, a bit slippery. Lost Jack. Good when I get down there. Okay guys, so pretty much we've driven up, as you can see where we are, but we've driven up to the same spot where I struggled before and I could only get up with the max tracks. Now the patrol could get up here easily, but pretty much what we got here, if you look over there, we've got the winch rope set up and we're doing a massive gum tree at the back there. And pretty much we're going to simulate a winch pull and hopefully I'll be able to be in the cab, push the button, which should just lift me gently up this hill and it should be pretty graceful. So we'll see how we go, let's do it. Alright, see. Get up in here. There's more than 5 kilos, I'm going to dump my whole body. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the full driving. The car's fully up now and safe. Super stoked with that. Got to use the winch practicality, hooked on the big tree, it all just worked. Shout out to DINKUM, I've had their recovery kit for ages now and that just worked like an absolute dream. We pretty much used the soft shackle, the dampener, and we're going to use the extension, but we didn't need it in the end, so we ended up just using the tree trunk protector. But super stoked with it, super happy, really good quality kit. So if you want to get some Australian made recovery gear, like quality, look no further than these guys. But yeah, wheels and tyres set up alright, and winch is all working fine. So turn the winch off after full driving, and yeah, it's all killer. Car's all in one piece, other cars in one piece as well. So now we're going to head to the bakery. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the full driving. I haven't done it in a long time, so it was good to do it again. And also with new wheels and tyres, knowing I did it on this track, even though before I had 35s, and I couldn't do it, which is very interesting. Granted now, it's very dry and wasn't raining. So super stoked with that. Stick around because I'm going to be changing built PRADO, the whole entire name and everything. So stick around, you'll find out what I'm on about. But till then, I'll catch you guys next time on potentially built PRADO.